Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making a rustic, no-knead artisan bread that tastes just like sourdough. Only 30 minutes of prep over 3 days. No Dutch oven? No problem. We use a casserole dish here and have even more ideas on our blog. The link's in the description. Now on day 1, make the Poolish. Mix 100 grams of water and a pinch of yeast. Mix well. Then add 100 grams of whole wheat flour and stir well. Cover and set it aside overnight. On day 2, we make the dough. Add 220 milliliters of water to the Poolish. Mix it very well. Now pour it into a bowl. Add 0.4 grams of yeast to the Poolish and continue mixing. Now add 300 grams of bread flour, then 8 grams of salt on top. And mix until no visible flour remains. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. After the first rise, we fold the dough once every 45 minutes for a total of 4 times. To fold, pull some dough and pull it to the other side. Rotate the bowl a quarter, turn, and repeat until all sides are folded. Then cover and let it sit for 45 minutes and repeat. It's that easy. Remember, you need to fold 4 times. Now by the 4th time, the dough will feel silky and smooth. You'll definitely feel the difference. Cover and let the dough rest at room temperature overnight. On day 3, we bake the bread. You need to preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit and place a heavy covered pot like our casserole dish or Dutch oven in the middle rack. Sprinkle flour on the edges of the puffy dough and carefully pour it onto a well-floured work surface. Now form a round ball by folding the dough from all sides. Be careful not to deflate it too much. You're pulling the dough to make a pouch. Place the dough ball seam side down. Then tighten into a ball by placing your hands on either side and rotating and pressing inwards and down. Now place the dough into a well-floured, linen-lined basket or bowl. Cover and let it rest for an hour. Once the oven is heated, let the pot heat for at least 30 minutes. You pour the dough ball on a piece of parchment paper or a silicone bread sling upside down with the seam side up. That creates a beautiful design on top of the bread. Place it into the pot and cover and bake for 30 minutes in the hot oven. After 30 minutes, uncover the Dutch oven and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the top crust is golden brown. For the best results, let the fresh homemade bread cool on a wire rack for about an hour before serving. And there you have it. We love this bread because it's so easy. And the Poolish takes care of any flavor issues that you might have heard about no-knead bread. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you make this bread, please tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you guys. Till next time.